Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Gate Quilt Company, and today we have day number 19 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas. If you do not know, this is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out every year now for the last couple of years. So we did day 1 through day 18 already on our YouTube here. If you want to go ahead and view those if you have not done so already, please like and subscribe if you want to continue seeing content. And let's go ahead and dive into day number 19. What day number 19 looks like. It's really light. So let's see. Okay. Oh, like really light. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we have these little fabric scraps here. It says chenille it. Place blooming bias strip onto fabric surface wherever you want a chenille accent. Sew down the center of the strip using a shortened stitch length on your sewing machine. Add additional chenille it until design is complete. Machine, wash, finish project on cold cycle, dry warm. Alternative method, spray with water, rub with stiff brush to fray threads, and then dry with a hairdryer or clothes dryer. Okay, well, interesting. I've never seen this before. If you guys have seen this and you know what this is or you've worked with it, let me know down below. All right. Okay, interesting. It almost feels like kind of a fusible type thing. Or even like a really rough cotton. Okay. When I think of chenille, I don't know, I think of like something really soft. All right, so here, oh, I see, okay, you fray it. So this is a chenille star pillow, and look at that, we're gonna be using those 5-inch charm packs that we got yesterday to make this pillow. So this does measure 18 inches by 18 inches, which is pretty standard for a pillow. All right, and then you go ahead and use that chenille fray, what is this called again? Chenille it, okay? Bias down the middle there of the pillow to make it frayed. Okay, it's very like country looking in my opinion, or like shabby chic. Okay, super easy. Looks like half square triangles for the most part, and then some squares. Not too bad of a pattern. Okay, sorry, I'm just looking to see where the placement is of that chenille it. All right, very interesting. So I'll have to go ahead and give this a try. This is super cute. I don't think I'll use those fabrics, but I might use maybe even like Christmas fabrics. So it'll be super cute with these colors. All right. All right, let me know what you think of today's item down below. And our question for today is, if you like to garden, what is your favorite thing to plant? Do you plant fruits and vegetables? Do you plant flowers? What is your favorite flower or fruit or vegetable to plant? Let me know down in the comments down below. Oh my goodness, I have such a huge garden, so I think it's really hard for me to pick just one item. I think I'm loving my fig tree, so let's go with that for now. We got figs for the first time really this year, and amazing. So that's what I'm gonna go with. So let me know down in the comments below what your favorite is, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 20. Bye everybody, have a great day.